We'll search flutter package on brew with brew search command. It should return list of packages, and here we can see that we have cask package called flutter. Next is just installing command. You can also find out flutter from the homebrew.sh homepage. If you find any package, you can get the command for installing that particular package. So in this case here you can see we have this brew install cask flutter command. So I will just copy it and run this command. Installation should take few minutes or few seconds. Good thing about Homebrew Package Manager is that it takes care of all the dependencies and version upgrades, etc. So if you don't have Homebrew Package Managers, just check my another video where I have installed Homebrew Package Manager. It's quite easy. Our installation is completed for Flutter. Let's check the Flutter version which we have installed. Done. That's it. It's a simple installation process with Homebrew Package Manager. Now let's check out how we can actually uninstall this. Many people struggle in uninstalling package managers, like the packages which are installed with Brew Package Manager. So the command is again simple. We search and try to see if we have Flutter. The green tick over there means that we have Flutter installed using Homebrew Package Manager. So command is just brew uninstall Flutter, and within a few seconds it's uninstalled. That's it. If this video helps, please subscribe to my channel.